Hey guys, this is a video about my new case with my new system in it. It's a Corsair 600T white edition. You got, I think this is a 200mm fan, two of them white LED, and you got the i3 sticker, although I have an i5 CPU. So just a quick look. Alright. From the inside, from the back, it's not that important, but yeah. Again, so we're gonna open the box, door, the panel. Alright, so we got the inside. It's kinda, I don't know if it's a good cable management that I did, but something. I want to see the Asus logo. There it is. This is a Maximus P67 motherboard, Thermalright heatsink with the two Silverstone, I don't know what you call them. One is like blowing air, one is like blowing out the air. I don't know if that's effective or not, but worth a try. A GTX 580GB edition, 3 fans, looks ugly. A CoolerMaster 750W with 80 plus watts, I don't know. 500GB and 320GB and an SSD. You can't see it, but 4GB G.Skill RAMs. Speeds are like 1600 megahertz. So that's about it. I don't know if you guys can give me some advice regarding the cable or anything. It looks good or not. I don't know. This is looks cool. This kind of blocks the sound also. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you don't like it, press don't like.